As Vasco Mangur Hill, there are some cases found. And local panic is upon because the administration has taken over. The area is fully sealed. I'm a local sangpa, they will check everybody house to house, every person in the every house, everybody who has come in contact with them will be checked. And their administration is doing their work. So please give them some time. Nothing will happen. Sangpa said that nothing to panic because people have recovered from COVID-19, from the virus corona. In Goa, there are many cases that people have recovered. So even these cases that are in Vasco, they will recover. Have faith in the government. Have faith in the health department. The health department is doing an excellent job. आता लोकांक सांगपाक म्हाका की एज पर कलेक्टर सावथ एंड ही एज पर हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी हेज टेकन ओवर नाव आनी तेणी सांगलें म्हाका की सगळे घरा एक चॅक करतले फाल्यां आतां आयज स्टार्ट केलें चॅक करपाक पॅनीक सिट्युएशन जावपाक गरज ना एंड देन दे वील डिसइनफेक्ट द फूल वॉर्ड फूल एरिया एवरी हावस एवरी गल्ली एवरी फुटपाथ देर इन देर वॉर्ड